Good morning, second graders. It is good to draw for you this morning. Today it's all about flowers. We did flowers with kindergarten and first grade too. The May crowning is coming up, Mother's Day, plus it's spring. There's flowers everywhere. Anyway, I thought it would be fun to draw one big flower, and we're also going to do a little hummingbird, and if you want, you can do a bee too. But hummingbirds, they love, specifically, nectar. They do love the nectar and the flowers, but they love like red and pink flowers the most. They're attracted to that color, so ours is going to be red. And they also, because if you see the shape of their beak, it's really long and pointy. That's so they can get, so some flowers have this kind of long tube where the nectar is going to be, so they can get their long beak inside that entire tube to get the nectar. Isn't that cool? Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do today. So the first step is I'm gonna have our flower kind of coming up from the corner. So you can do your paper this way or this way, it's up to you. I'll do mine this way, Lucas will do his that way. Oh, he wants to do his that way too, that's okay. Okay, so the first step we're gonna do, we're gonna make this part, this tubular part of the flower, is we're going to do an oval, angled oval. When I say angled, I just mean it's kind of kitty corner. It's like this. It's not up and down or side to side. So it's just an oval, okay? And then we're going to draw another oval coming from the side of it, just like this, except we don't see the top of the rest of it, okay? The rest of our oval, so it goes like this. So now with our flower, I just do wavy lines that repeat for the petals. So I did a wavy line that starts from the side of that cylinder, that tube that we just did. And I'm just gonna do some wavy lines that repeat around it. And you can do that, make your flower as big as you want. As many wavy petals as you want for your flower. It's kind of an easy way to make a pretty flower. If you wanna have these little guys poking out, that have the pollen on it for your bee, it's just some lines and a little teeny oval at the top. Pretty easy. So your flower does have a stem. It's just a curved line down, then you leave a space and you do another curved line that's right beside it. So just like that.
It's the stem.
Yeah. Okay, so I'll hold that up a little higher just so you can see what we just did. Nice. Okay, so now for our hummingbird. I like to do the beak of the hummingbird first. And it's a long, skinny triangle, basically, except we don't put the bottom of our triangle on. So do a nice angled straight line, and then you can start from the bottom again, and it comes to a point. So it's a long, skinny triangle, okay? So then we're gonna do a curved line up from the top part of our beak, and a curved line down from the bottom part of our beak, okay? Their beaks, they have a little mark nostril right there. Yeah, it looks kind of like a little nostril. And then I did a curved line for the eye, and I put little eyelashes. But you don't have to, you can do whatever eye you want. I'll hold that up closer for you. Let me make sure I'm doing, okay, great, yeah, you can see it, sweet. Okay. So now, let's go ahead and do a curved line, a longer curved line down for the bottom part of our birdie, just like that, our little hummingbird. Then, for the top, we're gonna do a shorter curved line. It stops right about there, because we have to get the wings in. Okay? Okay, so for this first wing here, I'm gonna do a straight angled line up, just like that. And then for the back wing, I leave a space here and I do a straight angled line the opposite way. Okay, it's a little shorter than this one. So now we're gonna do long curved lines all the way down. They get shorter as they come down, just like that. We're gonna do the same thing with this back wing. Okay, a little easier than you probably thought it was gonna be. Then I do some curved lines right here and right here. Okay, little scallop lines. Scallop is just those curved lines repeating.
Yeah.
Let's get the tail in. It's going to be the same long curved lines. Curved, they look kind of like the petals of a flower, just like that. And then to show the feet of the bird, they're kind of curled up when they fly. It's just 3 ovals here and 3 ovals here. Yeah, I do some more long scalloped lines for a little fun top of the head, little feathers coming up at the top of the head, so you can do that as well. Okie dokie, so we have our flower, we've got our hummingbird. Now let's do a little bee. Simple little bee, I do a circle for the head, okay? And then I do a curved line coming out gonna come to a point. And then I start at the head for the bottom and it comes to a point. Okay, if you want to put a little stinger on the guy, just put a little straight line coming out of the back. For the wings, I'm going to do a curved line up, comes to a point, and a shorter curved line up, just like that. Little feet, straight, teeny lines that come down. Then we want stripes for our bumblebee. I do a curved line, leave a space, do another curved line, leave a space, do another curved line, leave a space, do another curved line. And then you can color those in black. We're doing the typical black and yellow bumblebee. And that is it. We've got our fun little flower. We've got our hummingbird and our bee. Okay, oh, I forgot the antennas. Those are straight lines that just curve at the top, kind of like a hook. Super duper cute. Color it in if you can, make it really colorful. Hummingbirds come in all sorts of beautiful colors. And email these to me if you can. I miss you, second graders. See you later. Bye.